I'm Nicole.
I'm Hannah. Just kidding, because I don't know if people know. But I'm really Nicole.
I'm not really Hannah.
I'm really Hannah. Whoa.
How are you doing that?
You just go...
You like, ooh, you know what I'm talking about at all? The other song's kind of like, ooh. Did they play?
Yeah, that one song was like, ooh.
Did they play like before the, you know?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa.
If anyone has a body they want to give me, please give it to me.
You're promoting prostitution.
No, the dog body.
That's even worse.
No!
This is my buddy.
Oh!
Oh, stop making fun of Brittany because it's breaking my heart. And blah, blah, blah.
I didn't know what his name was.
Yeah, Chris Crocker. Do you want it? Do you want some?
Her heart's damaged.
Damaged.
So damaged.
So damaged.
Damaged.
How you gonna fix it?
How you gonna fix it? Fix it. Fix it.
Fix it.
Baby, you gotta.
Fix it.
Fix it. You know what I want? I want a pet miniature elephant.
You know what I want? Wait, why don't you just get that ball? I want a tiger like Benji Madden.
But I want like a real elephant.
Yeah, I want a real tiger like Benji Madden.
Why don't you just get a tiger?
She's naked.
I'm gonna get you!
They censor fuck, they censor like the F. And
Oh,
then
it's like uck.
I don't give a uck.
It's like, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, she's a sexy itch.
It.
Damn.
Oh, great censoring, because I don't know what that means.
What was that supposed to be right there? Bitch, I'll fuck you up.
You mean I will get you? See you later, alligator. Bye-bye. Peace out, Girl Scout.